Yeah, good evening. I am Professor Jean Bosco, always in the virtual Mechatronics Lab. We are doing the pre-test to check if our digital twin will work in the conference, which is scheduled, the Science and Technology Conference scheduled in Nairobi on 18th to 22nd. Here we have the physical robot. We can be able to visualize this physical robot in the screen. When somebody is in Nairobi, he will be able to see our physical robot in the lab in Nyeri. On the other hand, we have our digital twin, the digital robot. We can be able to visualize it in the screen. The discussion here, we bring the computer via the handset. It means we can be able to operate the robot. The virtual robot must operate at the same time with the physical robot. So the virtual robot has more importance information because we can be able to predict the path. It means we can have the robot planning, we can know the path planning so that it has a security for somebody who will be operating the robot. So our engineer, you can start to operate, you can bring your computer. Then after you bring the computer, start to operate the robot. So we wanted the virtual robot, as it moves, the same physical robot must move at the same time. So it means when you are in this, the operator here, nobody will touch this robot. It means the operator is this engineer. The engineer will be able to move the robot. You can you can open the robot end effector. You can open the end effector of the robot. We wanted to see if this end effector is opening. And then we wanted to see if the axis can be able to move. So it means we want you to move the robot from, go to pick something on the table, start to pick something, bring the robot down to pick. Yes, we can see the robot is able to go down and pick. And at the same time, it is doing the same in the digital twin. And then you can bring the robot up in the digital twin. We want you to take something to a different location in the manufacturing industry, take it up, then we see if the physical robot is doing the same thing. This means anybody, wherever he is, globally, he can be able to use, as much as he has the handset, he can be able to use our physical infrastructure in Kenya. Thank you so much.